Hello everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So we're about to head into CVS to get the deals starting February 17th through the 23rd. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and comment below if you love CVS. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I hope everyone had a fantastic Valentine's Day and stay tuned in the video because there might be a surprise for you guys. Alright, so our first deal is going to be on Eucerin. So it is on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So what you can do is pick up 2 of these skin calming 8-ounce lotions. So they're priced for $9.99. So go ahead and buy 2 of them for $19.98. And we have printable 3 off 1 coupons. I have linked in the printable breakdown. So that's going to take $6 off. So now you're down to $13.98, and then you get that $10 extra care buck back, making it $3.98 for the 2 of them, or $1.49 each, which is great. So another deal you could do is on the daily hydration. This is the 16.9 ounce. So my store has them priced for $11.49. It may vary between region. All of these prices will vary between region. So you could buy 2 of them for $22.98, and then use 2 of those printable 3 off 1 coupons. So final costs would be, so you would pay $18.98, earn that $10 extra care buck back, making it $4.49 each, and then it'll be even lower if you have a CRT for lotion. So great deal on Eucerin, and you can do this with baby as well. So if you need baby Eucerin, I highly recommend it if your kids have skin sensitivity. Okay, you guys, so Physicians Formula this week is on a spend 15, get $10 back in extra care bucks. In my opinion, this is the best time to take advantage of this deal. The Physicians Formula, the Healthy Powder, this is priced for $16.99, and we have 3 off 1 coupons that came in this past week's Smart Source. So you would end up paying $13.99, and then if you have a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, now you're down to $9.99. So that would make this guy just 99 cents after extra care buck and a coupon. So this is a really great deal, and I will leave a video linked below if you guys want to check out my recommendations on the new cosmetics here at CVS in the Physicians Formula line. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about a brand that I normally don't talk about much. I really haven't tried much of the Revlon items, but they're on a spend 15, get $5 back in extra care bucks, and we have printable coupons, which I will have linked below in the printable breakdown, and we also have Ibotta offers. So we have $2 cash back Ibotta offers on the Revlon eye, lip, and face, and then we also have printable coupons. So there's a $2 off Revlon lip, a $2 Revlon brow, a $2 Revlon eye, and a $3 Revlon face. And then if you guys got this 5 off 25 Revlon cosmetic CRT, I think you can stack it here, but at the very least you can stack the let's see, I got a, at the very least, you can stack a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics here. So there are some great items here from the Revlon line. If there's anything specific you guys want me to go ahead and test out, let me know, and I will pick it up and test it on camera for you guys. So something I will recommend from the Revlon line, that's something I actually have tried, is the Revlon Color Stay eyeshadows, the cream eyeshadows. So if you guys like MAC paint pots, these are very comparable, and it really does like amplify your look. So they have them priced for $8.49. So if you just wanted to come in here and pick up 1, you could pick up 1 for $8.49, use that $2 printable coupon, and then submit to Ibotta for $2. So you'd end up paying $4.49. So you'd buy 2 of them for $16.98, and then use 2 of those printable eye coupons. So now you're down to $12.98. And then if you have a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, use that here. You would get down to $10.98, get a $5 extra care buck back. Okay, so you can submit that Ibotta rebate twice. So now you're down to $1.98 for the both of them, or just 99 cents each, which is fantastic, you guys. So 99 cents for the Revlon cream shadows. Don't worry, I will have the breakdown below for you guys so you can follow along. Guys, so select OGX hair products. These guys are on sale for $6.49. I'm not seeing my dry shampoo that I love so much. So I don't know if the line discontinued it because they were clearancing it out. So I don't see it. So, but there's something else here. It's the Green Tea Fitness Dry Shampoo Foam. Okay, so it looks like they changed the name and repackaged it. So it is priced for $6.49. And you get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 4. So go ahead and buy 2 of them for $12.48. Earn a $4 extra care buck back. And then if you have a 3 off 12 CRT for hair care, pair it here. So your final cost is going to be $2.49 each after extra care buck and this CRT right here. So not a bad deal. And you guys know I love the OGX dry shampoo. It is one of my favorites, so I highly recommend it. Alright, you guys, so we have a really good deal on Nivea body wash. So you can do the men or women. So these guys are priced for $3.99 on sale, which is a great sale price because the starting price is $6.49 regular price. There are no extra care bucks offered, but if you have a 2 off 6 CRT for body wash, pair it here. So final cost when you buy 2 is just $2.49, which is a really good deal for Nivea. Alright, you guys, so happy Valentine's Day clearance. So this is the time to pick up clearance candy, toys, knickknacks, whatever, you name it. 50% off. Think ahead for Easter baskets, think ahead for birthdays, think ahead for anything really for yourself. So 50% off of Valentine's Day is going to start now. My store isn't tagged yet, so I'm not sure what it's at as of the moment, but just go to the scanner, scan everything, and it'll come up how much it's on sale for. So I mentioned to you guys that there might be a giveaway. So I don't know if you guys remembered when the CVS corporate was inside my store and I was actually able to talk to them. They reached out to me via email. They have actually offered quite a few CVS gift cards for me. So I'm going to be sprinkling them in my CVS giveaways until I run out of them. So if you would like to be entered to win a $25 CVS gift card, comment below what your favorite M&M flavor is. Are you a chocolate, just plain chocolate? Are you a peanut? Are you a peanut butter? So comment below. That's what you need to answer if you want to be entered to win the CVS gift card giveaway, and I will announce the winner next week. So I just want to thank CVS so much for gifting me those gift cards. They are definitely appreciated. I was definitely not going to use them on myself. I was definitely going to share them with you guys. So again, thank you so much, CVS. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice sale on some Lysol products. So Lysol all across the store, they are buy one and get one free. Let me get my breakdown because even I go with my breakdown when we're in the store. Lysol. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight the disinfecting wipes. So my store has these priced for $3.89, and they're also buy one get one free, and we still have insert coupons from the January 6th Smart Source. So you can go ahead and pair 2 of those 50% off 1 coupons here. You can use a coupon on a free item, which is great. So final cost is just $1.44 when you buy 2, when you combine the buy one get one free sale and using those 50% off coupons. So hopefully you guys still have those. Okay, you guys, so the Total Home brand here at CVS and the Just Basics, they are on a spend 15, get 5. Anytime this deal rolls around, I always try to stock up on trash bags. So the Total Home trash bags are $8.69, 2 of them for $17.38. Then you get that $5 extra care buck back, making it $12.38, or just $6.19 each, which beats the hefty sale, which is going on right now. They're on sale for $6.99. So you still beat the hefty price with the spend 15, get 5. So we have a few different grocery deals here. So the Campbell's condensed soups, so the chicken noodle, the cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, they're on sale for 99 cents, which is great. Definitely submit your Fetch Reward receipts because you're going to get bonus points when you submit Campbell products. Also on sale, the Prego pasta sauces and the chunky Campbell soups. These guys are on sale 2 for $4, and we have some Fetch Reward bonuses. So you're going to get 5,000 bonus points when you buy 1 of the Prego pasta sauces, and then you're going to get a bonus 500 points when you buy 2 of the chunky Campbell soups. So the 500 points is equivalent to 50 cents. And if you sign up this weekend, Fetch Rewards has a bonus 4,000 points. So usually it's 2,000 when you sign up for Fetch Rewards, but this, I think it's today. I don't know when it ends. I just got the email, but it's a bonus point offering. So 4,000 points, $4. Free money, you guys. So I will have a link below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up. So these are all the deals I have to share with you guys this week here at CVS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like saving money, and if you're new here, subscribe because we save money every single week. And again, if you want to be entered to win that CVS gift card, just comment your favorite M&M flavor. And there will be a printable list for you guys to follow along, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.